Now we are going to be look at that how can we use the index and match function together. If you use the index and match function together, it's a powerful Excel tool to extract the or retrieve the data from the particular range, right? If you use the index separately as well match function separately, we can't get it. But if you use the index and match function together in the Excel, we can retrieve the data in a particular range. For an example, you can see here, if I want to get that all the product small box price in this cell, we can use the index and match function. How can I get it? It's very simple. First, I'm going to be click here in this cell. I'm going to be get these all the product as a list in this cell, right? So how can I get it? I can get it by using data validation. So I'm going to be click here, and I'm going to be go to the data ribbon and go to the, and then I'm going to click the data validation. Under the data validation, I'm going to click the list. Under the list, I need to choose the source. Where is the product available? Here. So I need to choose the product. Then I'm going to be click OK button. If I click OK button, you can see that the mark will come here. That is a drop down list. So you can choose the product in this cell, right? So whatever you want, you can choose it, right? So I'm going to be choose apple. Then if you want to get that this product small box price, we can use the index and match functions, right? So how can we use it? We can use it index and match function. I'm going to be show you how can we apply the index and match function to get all the product small box price. First, I need to put the equal sign. Then I need to call the index function and start the bracket. We know well that we need to pass the three parameters. The first array. Array mean the small box price is the array, because we need to get that the product small box price. So the small box price, this is the range. So I need to choose the small box price. Row number we can get that by using match function. We have already studied how can we get the numerical position in the list by using match function. We can use the match function to get the row number, right? How can we use? It's very simple. I'm going to put that match function I need to call the match function match, start the bracket, and we need to pass the three parameters. The first one is lookup value, which we are going to be search. We are going to be search the based on the product. So I'm going to choose apple, comma, and then lookup array. This apple product list available where the product list available here. I need to choose the entire product list, comma, we need exact or greater or lesser than. I need exact, so I need to choose the exact match. Then close the bracket for the index function, then close the bracket for the match function. Then you can enter. If I enter, you can get that all product small box price, right? For an example, you can see here apple small box price $12 as well. For an example, here I am going to be choose banana is a $5. You can see $5. And if I choose the grapes, $15. Grapes is $15. You can see. So likewise we can get it, but this is the dollar, not rupee. So I'm going to be change this as a dollar, right? Okay, now we are going to be retrieve the data in this cell for any kind of product as well any kind of box price. So how can we set up? We can easily set up. First, I'm going to be get the product name in this cell. How can we get? We can use the data validation. So I need to go to the data ribbon. I'm going to be choose the data validation. Under the data validation, I'm going to be select the list. Under the list, I'm going to be choose the product name here. So the product name will be appear in this cell. So I'm going to be click OK button, and you can see here the all the product names available, right? So now I'm going to be get that all box model here in this cell. How can we get the same way? We can use the data validation. Go to the data ribbon. Under the data ribbon, you can choose the data validation. Under the data validation, I'm going to be choose the list. Under the list, I need to choose the source. The source available here, the small, medium, large box, right? So then I'm going to be click OK button. Small, large, medium box come in this cell, right? So if you want to be get this price, if I choose any kind of product as well any kind of box model, the price should be retrieved from this table. How can we set? We can set by using index and match functions, right? How can we use it? It's very simple. First I need to put that equal sign, and I need to call the index function and start the bracket. We know well that we need to pass 3 parameters. The first one is table array. So the table array mean product price array, that is the table array here. So I need to choose that this price list, these 3 box model price list, that is a table array, comma row number. Row number, if we want to be get the row number, we can use the match function to get the numerical position for the list. So I need to use the match function. So how can we use it? It's a very simple. I need to call the match function, match, start the bracket, and it is look like the lookup formula. So first lookup value, we are going to be search based on the product name. So I need to choose the product name, comma lookup array. This product name where is available in this range. So I need to choose this array, comma we need exactly or lesser than or greater than. I need exactly, so I need to choose the exact match. Then I'm going to be close, comma, and we need to pass the column number also. It means that numerical position for the column. So we need to use another match function to get the column number. So how can we use it? I need to call the match function. So match, start the bracket, and first we need to pass the lookup value. Lookup value mean which basis we are going to be lookup based on the this model of box, comma the lookup array. The second parameter is lookup array. Lookup array, where is this small box available? This is available in this column, right, comma we need exact match or greater than or lesser than. We need exactly what is the position we need to be get it. So I need to choose that 0 or exact match we need to be select, and close the bracket for the index function, then close the bracket for the match function, then we can enter. If we enter, the price is automatically extract or retrieve from this table. So now I'm going to be change the symbol, that is the $, right? You can see the gray small box 15. Whatever product you can choose, it will automatically get this the price, right? For an example, I need that mango 6. You can see here mango small box 6 and medium box 12. You can see here I'm going to be choose medium 12, and I need this pineapple medium. You can see 18, pineapple medium 18 rupees, right? So likewise you can get it any kind of product name with the price. So if you use the index and match function together, it's a very powerful tools to retrieve the data from the range. If you change anything else in this range, it will reflect in this table, right? For an example, if I going to be change the apple price, small apple price small box apple price $10, it also reflect here. For an example, I'm going to be choose here apple small box, apple small box. You can see here 10 rupees, $10, right? And here $10, right? So now I'm going to be back $12 as usual price, right? So if I change, it will reflect here. Anything change in this range, it will reflect here. No need to be worry about it. If you want to be changed, you can change here. It's automatically retrieve from this range to here, right?